Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you guys how to remove a post from Facebook timeline. So basically there are two types of posts. First one, let's say we write a post, subscribe and like the video. Subscribe to the channel obviously. So as you can see, this has been posted, and if I want to click, I just remove it. I'll right click on this and then click on move to trash and then click on move. As you can see, this has been gone. But if it's a post like your profile picture, if I right click on it, as you can see, there is no remove or trash post. All you can do is click on edit if you want to edit, or you could click on edit privacy and make this only me so that no one else can see it, but it's still in your timeline. Or you could just hide from profile, but sometimes it may appear to some people. And this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.